right, I'm going to endeavour in the next 2 days to put down some foundations, as we did for feng shui as well. I made comment about pouring the concrete well and building the foundations for your house. And there's obviously no way within 2 days that you could be qualified as medical Qigong practitioners. My aim isn't to achieve that. My aim is to really introduce you, open the door, take you into the room, and teach you some of the foundational tools so that you can actually apply these for yourself and possibly for others. But also teach you about the qualities of Qi and the importance of working correctly with Qi. And it doesn't matter what modality you work in, understanding the protocols of working with Qi, which is really, really important. In medical Qigong in China, at the Haidian College and some other colleges, they would have students study 5-6 days a week. They would be examined once a week, and they may have a 4 or 5 year internship. So you can imagine that there's a fair bit of Chinese cultural history and knowledge that they want to impart to the students. Not all of it is learning material. As you could imagine, there's a lot of practical in terms of them practicing Qigong in terms of a medical way, in other words, working with clients and patients. But there's an also equal amount of practical in developing the students' abilities to work with Qigong. So you can't, this isn't like learning architecture or massage in a sense. Working in Qigong means that you have to be capable of working in it. It's not just about mentally understanding the material. You have to physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually evolve to work with it well. So over these next 2 days, when I say we, I mean the spirit of Qigong, myself, all of that, teachers, lineage, we'll teach you some aspects and some language in Qigong. So we'll be talking about external, internal Qi, we'll talk about dantians, the borders of the lower dantian, we'll talk about heaven Qi and earth Qi, the meridians, and if you haven't worked with meridians before, we'll go through the charts. So we'll talk about some of the knowledge, the dantians, we'll talk about the 3 treasures in Qigong, Jing, Qi, and Shun.